When we're looking across the landscape here in Hamelin Pool, we are looking back through time to what life would have looked like on this planet before dinosaurs, before fish, before trees, and well and truly before people. In fact, it's the world's best location to come and see the microbial systems and life on this planet as it would have been between 3.5 billion years ago and up until around about 700 million years ago. In April 2021, Cyclone Seroja came through and the boardwalk to the Hamelin Pool stromatolites was substantially damaged. The structural engineers have assessed the damage to the boardwalk and they found that the better option is to replace it. So at the moment, DBCA is looking not just replace the boardwalk as was, but to build a structure that is stable for future big storms and that will improve visitor experience. So it's really exciting. We're going to be turning this location into a place where people can really come to understand the connection of life with the landscape. The new development is going to be a tourism icon for people to come to. In the meantime, because microbial mats are so sensitive to footfall damage and because the structure is not safe, we would ask everyone to observe the signs and stay away from the microbial mat area. I suggest you come during low tide, like it is right now, and bring yourself some binoculars or your telephoto lens to be able to get a better view. It's a complex project because operating in a system where you can't put your feet down and not leaving an imprint is very challenging. It's not as simple as just building a fence. Really looking forward to the redevelopment of this site. I've been here working in this area for 10 years and as a scientist looking at it, I understand how important this site is for humanity's understanding of life on the planet. And to be able to really share that knowledge, this development will provide the opportunity for everybody else that's not a scientist to connect with the site, to understand that life on this planet is a precious thing and that it has given us a beautiful place to be.